morning all of you. Today I'll show how to repair AC. This AC already damaged, not working. This is split unit type AC. I start switch, I open switch. Now I'm going to check volt with multimeter. Check the volt. Here I have already 251 volt, but here not showing anything. This display not showing anything. I'll check what problem inside. Now I'm going to open this cover first. Then here I have a screw. 1, 2, 3, 4 screw open. Then this one is screw. 1, 2, 3 screw need open. Also here I have lock. 1, 2, 3, 4 lock. Now I already open screw. Then I remove filter also. Now I am going to open this cover. Then I am checking what's the problem. Now I open the cover. This is the controlling PCB. I already opened this cover. This one and this one. There have lock. This lock. Push and open this cover. The first is PCB. We need to check fuse. This is the fuse. This one. Now I am going to check this fuse. How to check with multimeter? Need to check continuity. This one continuity mode. This fuse damage, not working. Why this fuse not working? Why damage? We need to check outside also, outdoor unit also. This is the outdoor unit. This is the outdoor unit. Now I am going to open and check compressor, contactor, capacitor and connection. First need to open this cover, front cover, upside cover. This is the data. Outdoor unit, indoor unit, both. One AC, two unit, two parts only. refrigerant and volt. All this is the details. This on outdoor unit capacitor for compressor 60 UF, conductor for controlling, and this capacitor for fan 3.5 UF. I'll check whole thing here. Now I check outside. I saw outside there no problem. That's why I'm coming inside. I'll change this this fuse. Then check switch. See, this is already working now. Now I'm going to put this cover. Put cover. Then whatever before you remove the screw, all fix, all tight screw. Then check the thermostat sensor. So need to put this one also. Then put filter. Already put filter. Then close this one cover. Then this is it. Now let's switch on. Check. The AC is already okay. How to gas charge, how to check capacitor with multimeter, I'll make next video.